Skincare you do not need while doing skin lightening. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So today I have so much to tell you, things you should not use while doing skin lightening. A reason why I make sure to put this out because it's necessary and it will help your skin. For instance, you really want your skin to come off, you really want it to pop, you really want it to shine, but you are like forcing the issue. You want it to come off in an even tone. Listen, pause, because some things that you might be doing to your skin wrong while doing the skin lightening at this point. First of all, do not use scrubs. Do not use any scrub, because scrubs, especially St. Ives, St. Ives scrub, I've been using St. Ives scrub on my face, and because of that it irritates your skin even more and let your face get red, especially you're lightening your skin, so you don't want too much harsh aggressive. You don't want to be too aggressive to your skin, right? The next one is the wipes, the makeup wipes. If you are going to use makeup on your face, I would suggest that you don't use any makeup wipes because it have a lot of alcohol and a lot of fragrance, and that can cause so much thing to your face, can irritate your face. For instance, you have sensitive skin and you use certain makeup wipes, it can irritate your skin. So a next one is the toner. Toner doesn't do nothing for your skin, especially the witch hazel. It doesn't even know skin tone like it says. um it's just normal. I guess the skin lightening cream even work much faster, right? And you have to know which skin lightening cream works for you, because it's not every skin lightening cream going to work for you, so you have to find that right one, and when you find that right one, make sure you use it wisely. A next one is the cleansing brush. I don't see the sense of using cleansing brush because it irritates your skin while doing skin lightening, even though people like it. A lot of people like cleansing brush, but I think the best way to cleanse your face is to get your cleanser, a really good cleanser that you know will help you, right? Like Cetaphil. Cetaphil is a good one. Cetaphil has a cleanser. Neutrogena have a cleanser. Really good cleansers. And you use that with your hands. Your hands, so long as your hands are clean, make sure your hands are clean when you're handling your face, because you know that bacteria, while you take up the garbage, you go to the bathroom, you sweep your yard, it's like you get things on your hands and then you touch your face that can cause pimples, and you do not want that. So guys, these are some of the things that you do not need in your skincare while doing skin bleaching. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, watch the ads. Have a great day or night. So guys, make sure watch my other videos. I have more on my platform. I do videos daily, guys, so you guys can come back tomorrow. And if you have any questions, no problem, just drop it in the comments. If I see it, I'll read it. Bye guys.